Millions of people suffer from conditions such as obesity and IBS, as well as autoimmune disorders like lupus, diabetes, MS, arthritis, and others. Did you know that many of these diseases may be caused by what's called leaky gut? Toxins that are present in most everyday foods, such as pesticides, antibiotics, sugars, and hormones, leak through damaged walls of the intestine, causing inflammation and become trapped in cells within our liver and body. This creates the related conditions, diseases, and allergies. So how can we address this? Traditional medicine approaches it with pharmaceuticals, which tackle the symptoms but often cause additional problems in your body. At Liver Medic, we've put together products with ingredients that are known to work, have synergies with each other, and work to heal the root cause of the problem in your body. By healing leaky gut and reducing inflammation, you give your body the opportunity to heal itself from otherwise chronic conditions and diseases. The all-natural solutions we've developed follow the pathology of what's going on and have a regimen to address those issues so that they go away, you're healthier, and you're properly nourished. For years, Liver Medic has been developing clean, natural products that clean the liver and can reverse GI tract damage. We use only grade A ingredients, no suspicious fillers that can cause other problems, and have the highest grade manufacturing certifications. Heal your condition by treating the cause naturally. We know the problem. We have your solution. Liver Medic.